Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. As you can tell by the title of this video, we're not cooking today. It's a mail call. So I got some sample rubs in the mail sent to me by a guy named Troy Stevens, and I won them on it's a random giveaway they were doing on their Facebook page, and I happened to win, so he sent them out. Really awesome guy, really cool channel as well. So I got the rubs here, and actually it's called they're called Bextens Best. So I got 3 samples. I opened this one already. It's mango habanero is what this one is. All right, Bextens Best. I also got prime rib and steak sample. That, can't wait to try that one. And the competition beef, I can't wait to try this one as well. So we got that also. So we got the 3 samples, and it was just really nice of them to do a giveaway. Actually, I'm doing another giveaway, I think, for an Inkbird or something right now. So this video also is to help promote their Facebook page, because it's an awesome page. For if you're a creator, or not even a creator, if you just like food and like, you know, BSing about cooking and stuff like that, the link for their Facebook page will be in the description below. Make sure to go click the link and check it out. They love the photos, they love the videos, posting all your cooks and all that stuff. They love it. It's a super fun group. And so I just wanted to say, you know, super thanks to Troy Stevens, and super thanks to Jeff Bexten for the samples as well, and everybody there at Food Lovers and Grillers. I mean, it's just an amazing Facebook page. So make sure to click that, go join, tell them James sent you, and then yeah, you know, start having some fun and chatting. I'm just telling you guys, it's an awesome Facebook page, so I really appreciate it. And then also I have a Facebook page that just started up not too long ago. We're actually almost at 100 members. I'll leave the link below so you guys can join that as well. We just actually had 40 something new members just last week, and that was actually thanks to my sister-in-law, Crystal Monday. Thank you so much, Crystal. I really appreciate it. So go check both these pages out, but for sure go to Food Lovers and Grillers and check them out. It's super fun. So but that being said, we're gonna wrap this up, but big thanks to you guys, Troy, Jeff, and everybody at Food Lovers and Grillers Facebook page. Make sure to check them out, guys. And actually, I'm going to be smoking some ribs today, and I'm going to be using the mango habanero, the mango peach habanero on these ribs. I can't wait to try it. I've tasted it. It's got a nice little sweet with the kick in the back, so I can't wait to try that. So thank you guys, I appreciate it very much. And with that said, we're gonna wrap this thing up, and I'll let you know how this seasoning turned out. Thanks everybody, talk to you later.